Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be collaborating with Linjer today, a slow fashion jewellery brand who are kindly sponsoring this video today. Before I show you all the pieces that I got today, I just wanted to let you know that Linjer has actually kindly given us a discount code to use during their International Women's Day sale. You can enjoy buy one and get one 45% off. I picked up a few pieces from their collection and I'm so excited to show you. I'll leave my discount and all the links down below. I'm so happy with everything that I chose. I feel like it'll go so nicely in the collection that I've already got. So the first item that I really want to show you is these gold hoops with a pearl on them as well. So these are the Rebecca hoop earrings in gold vermeil and I love these. I think they're so beautiful. I don't actually have a lot of pearl jewellery, but I love pearl jewellery. I feel like it's so beautiful. I think it just looks really elegant and chic as well. And actually when I got these I realized that you can actually take the pearl off as well, so you kind of get two earrings in one. You can almost have an earring with the pearl and then take the pearl off and just have like a classic perfect size hoop as well. Depending on your mood you can just like switch it out, and you could almost do like a day to nighttime look with these earrings. You can just customize however you like. I also thought I would tell you a little bit about Linjer's gold vermeil. Basically it is sterling silver base with a really thick layer of 22 karat gold. It's a lot thicker than your usual gold plated jewellery that you can normally find, and it will last you a lot longer as well, and it's also a lot better quality as well. This is something super important to me as well. I do sometimes buy kind of fashion jewellery here and there, but generally with my main collection I really want the pieces to be really good quality and just last me a really long time as well, without having to kind of rebuy jewellery every year or every few months. I don't actually have a lot of earrings or jewellery that are kind of this style with like the pearl, so I feel like this will go so nicely in my existing collection. And honestly I can see myself wearing the hoops and the pearl to the office, to go out, to the cafe, see my friends, go on a little day. I feel like they're just so versatile and they're really cute. I love how they look. They kind of make an outfit just add a little bit of detail to an outfit. Like for example, I'm just wearing a black tank top and without the earrings I feel like it would just be really plain, really boring, but honestly the earrings just add a little bit of interest to the outfit. You could also wear your hair up just to kind of show them off even more. It would be so beautiful with your hair up in a ponytail or a bun. So the next jewellery piece that I got is this rainbow moonstone ring, which is also in gold vermeil, and honestly it is so beautiful. I love rings. I love to mix and match my metals. I love silver and gold together, but also I wear my golds and silvers matching them as well. But this is so beautiful. I feel like it's just, I love the way it sits on my hand and my finger, and I love the kind of like, it's subtle, it's classic, but also still a bit of a statement piece if you don't want to wear kind of rings that are a bit too flashy. Or a lot of the time I love to wear kind of dainty rings, but I feel like this is a mix between like a bit of an interesting ring but also a little bit dainty as well. So I really like this one. I think it's so beautiful and I feel like I'd probably wear this every day. I think this is so pretty. It's so unique as well, and I think I've seen many rings that kind of look like this as well. I also think you could really layer this ring as well. You could put some few dainty rings around it or with your hand as well, and I think it would just look so beautiful together, but also kind of stand out on its own as well. When I was looking at their website, something that drew me into Linjer is that they are a female founded brand. They use 100% recycled gold and silver. They also use lab grown diamonds, which is also definitely a more sustainable option. If you're into that sustainability factor in a brand, or if you're kind of looking at those things when you purchase from a brand, I definitely think that Linjer is up there with their sustainability and of their messaging around their jewellery and pieces, and also the quality of the pieces as well. The third piece of jewellery that I really want to show you is the tennis bracelet in silver. It's so cute and dainty. I feel like it's just so precious and beautiful, and it just looks so beautiful on the wrist. I feel like bracelets are just gorgeous. I feel like on the hands you notice when people talk, and it's just something that stands out. And whenever someone's wearing a bracelet I always notice their bracelets and jewellery and just in general, but I love this bracelet so much. I can definitely see myself wearing it every day. It feels really high quality as well and super lightweight, so you're not kind of noticing it too much. It's not you know, pulling on your arm or anything like that. And it also has an adjustable clasp as well, which is really good because there's nothing worse than getting a bracelet and it's too big and it just kind of moves around on your wrist. It's just, I find that really annoying. So I love this. It fits so nicely. Doesn't really move around a lot, which is really, really good, and I love how it looks. And it can definitely be layered with a watch or some other bracelets as well. So the last thing that I want to show you that I got from Linjer is actually a super cute mini travel case. So this is a travel case in cognac, and it is so cute and small. I love how precious it is, and sometimes I just need a small case just to put my rings in, put my earrings in at the end of the night. I actually have a few trips coming up that I need to, I'll probably take this with me. So it is so cute. It's got the Linjer logo on the little clasp here, and then it just zips open. And it is so pretty. Got a few places to put your rings and then also your earrings or necklaces in this area as well. And then it just zips up and keeps your jewelry nice and safe in there, which I love. And I love this color. It's so classic. I just feel like it's so aesthetically pleasing. I love this so much. And honestly, I usually don't even travel with a lot of jewelry, maybe some other bigger fashion jewelry, but normally I put those in a pouch anyway, and they don't fit in any case. So this is going to be so good for those dainty and really precious jewelry that you just don't want to lose and you don't want it flying around in your bag. So this is super, super cute, and I love this case as well. So that's all the pieces that I got, and plus the little travel case, and I'm so happy with everything. Everything is really beautiful quality. The thing about the earrings is that they're not super heavy. I've already worn them a few times and I feel like they're so light, they're dainty, and they don't hurt my ears. They also go around fully in the circle as well, which is really good. I don't always really like when earrings stop in a half circle at the back. I feel like that just sometimes my hair gets caught in it, but this is just, I love them. They're such a classic earring and piece. I love this bracelet and I love my ring as well. So that's all the pieces that I got today, and I'm so happy with everything that I got. I feel like it's just going to add so much to my collection and also last me a really, really long time. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know which one is your favorite down below, and also don't forget that you can use my discount code to buy one and then get one at 45% off. I feel like this is an amazing deal. You can get one for yourself, get one as a gift, or keep both of them for yourself. Honestly, whatever you want to do. Have a look on their website and see if there's anything that you like, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.